Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Do you want to improve your website SEOs and build the high quality backlinks? In this tutorial, we will show you how to build backlinks with SEMrush in 2024, boosting your search engine rankings step by step. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So SEMrush, guys, is a very insane tool. It has a very good utilities when it comes specifically to search for keywords and having backlink analytics and basically building a backlink. Now, for building a backlink, you have four main tools in here, which are the backlink analytics, backlink audit, link building tool, and bulk analysis. For backlink analytics, by clicking on it, you will have to put here the URL that you want to search for. So for example, I'm going to go with this, let's go with Express. Yep, this is like a website. I'm gonna copy it and I'm gonna paste it right over here. So what it will do is it's gonna give me a full analysis about this website, give me the referring domains, backlinks, monthly visits, organic traffic, outbound domains, and overall toxicity score. Now, normally it could be better when it comes to the actual premium plan. In case you had a premium plan, it will be better. But yeah, here as you can see, this website general ideas, it has pretty much like this is like the top anchors. Here, if you went to the backlinks, there is 6.1 million backlinks. If you went into it, like here, you will find that there is several amounts of backlinks in here. For example, here we have this backlink mentioned in one of these pages. So the backlinks are basically, let me just like open a whiteboard. So whenever you try to create a blog, so for example here, I'm just going to start to explain to you this whiteboard. So let's say that we have a blog. All right, so here we have this as a blog, text, a lot of text. And basically there is a keyword, which is, for example, here, let's write, for example, keyword. So this keyword is something that is highlighted and needs an explanation, or basically you've made a whole article about this word exactly. So you can make a link, so you can link this word with an external URL that will be taken users after clicking on this keyword to the specific domain. So this URL, domain.com, for example. So this is called a backlink, which are basically covered in this area. So these are all backlinks. Of course, I can't see or view all the backlinks that I don't have the premium version. Now, how can we build backlinks with SEMrush? So here, guys, we have this article that explains it well. So first of all, backlinks are one of the key factors Google and other search engines use to determine the quality and relevance of a website. As such, building and maintaining a strong backlinks profile is cornerstone of SEO. Link building can be daunting task for bloggers and SEO professionals. Fortunately, there are several link building tools available in the market to simplify the process. One of these tools is SEMrush. Now, SEMrush has the world's largest backlink database with more linked and faster update cycle than any other major SEO platform on the market. The SEMrush link building toolkit comprises of three essential tools: backlinks analytics, backlinks audit, and link building tool, which are right here as we show in this menu right here. So here, note, to get the most out of this guide, you will need to activate subscriptions to SEMrush. If you don't have an account, click on the link below to get a 14-day free access to SEMrush. So here we are going to go through how we can replicate your competitor based link building strategies and basically build our own link. So first of all, how can we replicate our competitors based link building strategies? By analyzing the link building strategies of your rivals, you can get valuable insights and inspiration for developing effective link building strategies. If you have trouble finding your competitors, SEMrush's backlink analytics tool can help you identify your closest competitors based on the number of common reference domains. These are websites that are receiving referral traffic from other sites where your target audience is most likely to spend their time. To identify your competitors, navigate to SEO, link building, and backlinks analytics. Enter your domain in the search box, and in the resulting backlink analytics report, navigate to the similar profiles section, which will give you all kind of competitors that are basically in the field. By doing this, as you can see, you will have a fair idea of whose referring domains you should analyze to get the best link building ideas. For instance, if you are the owner of BigCrunch, as in the example above, you could analyze the backlink profile of Weird, The Verge, Mashable, and Business Insider, which are these ones. You can click on View for Reports under the section to see more competitors who share a similar profile to your website, and you can even view how much competition level they have with you, the total referred domains, the backlinks, and the common referred domains. The backlinks report will also highlight the total number of referring domains, backlinks, and common referring domains between your site and your competitor site. To view your competitor backlink profile, click on your closest competitor's domain and visit the referring domains tab to see the site that link to your competitor. Use the advanced filters above and sort by authority score AS to view the most relevant and authoritative referring domains. You can focus on these domains as your target in your upcoming outreach campaigns. Then find evergreen content ideas that generate natural backlinks. Competitor analysis is not just useful for acquiring high quality backlinks, but also for identifying evergreen content ideas that attract organic backlinks. Evergreen content. So all of these can be used to simply make your backlinks better. So analyzing, checking your competitors, doing some kind of a good green or even green content that will attract more people will naturally create backlinks and basically will make your backlinks much more better to get much more people, and basically that will help you a lot to get your organic traffic and to boost your site. So yeah, do not miss this opportunity, guys. SEMrush is having a 14 days free trial. Make sure to use it for your own good. It will be very, very useful to read and analyze the whole market using this tool. And yeah, that was basically it for today's video, guys. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like and to subscribe. If you do have any more questions or problems, make sure to mention them in the comment section and below. And see you guys in the next tutorial.